Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to register for Atomy in the India region. The registration process for the India region is bit different than any other countries, so pay attention and fill out your form correctly. So to start the registration, first you have to open any browser. Here you have to search Atomy India in the search bar. The very first website that will appear, you have to click on it. Welcome to Atomy India. This is the home page of the website. Here you can know about the company and about the business. This is the shopping mall tab where you can know all about the products. Here are the category of products like health, beauty, personal care, home, food, etc. Here is the My Office tab from where you can log into your account. So in order to join, first you need to log into an account. The account ID and password can be either of your sponsor or you can use the one I am using. I will provide the ID and password in the description below. You have to log in and this will log you into the account. From here you have to click on Join Us. From here now you have to click on the Join Us button under the distributor individual category. And this will open up the terms and condition and the orientation program of the company. If you want to watch the video, you can watch it. Then click on the All Agree button, scroll down and click on the Confirm button. And now you have to fill out your form very carefully. Fill that birth date, enter your password, enter here your guest password, your mobile number, you can leave your GSTN number for now, enter your address, enter your PIN code, and select your city below. It will automatically take your district and the union territory or the state. Now here you have to enter your email address. And now you have to click on I agree to receive a confirmation mail. And here you have to enter your PAN card number. And click on the verification. And after that here will appear your name automatically, and now you have to scroll down and you have to provide your address proof verification. In this case we are selecting the Aadhaar proof verification. Here we have to provide our document number, and here you have to upload your document. In the registration for the India region, it is mandatory to upload the file. And then you have to click all the I agree buttons, and under the spouse category you have to click on no and click confirm. And Now here you have to enter your sponsor ID and click on the search button. Click the confirm button and here will appear the name of your sponsor. You have to select either the nearest center from your address or the same as your sponsor. We are going to select our nearest center and click on confirm. Here is all the information about you that you filled. Check it once. If you have entered anything wrong, go back and fill it correctly and then click on done. And here will appear your member ID and password. Keep it safe. This will be required to log in into your account. Click go back to home. And here you are complete with the registration process. Thank you for watching.